Previously on Explore Nature's Catch.
We're in Mammoth.
Did you bring my ice jacket?
Christine's on the first fish over here.
Can you grab the net?
Christine on another one. Wow, she's on fire today. How big is it? Oh yeah, it looks like it's fighting too.
Dang, he's pulling my line.
Whoa, it's another big one. It's another big one. That's a big one. That's a big one.
Can you take my mask off, love? I can't breathe. I need to breathe.
It just came out of the water and it was big.
This one's for you, Christy.
See it. Another one. There it is.
Dang. My right arm is so tired.
Bring it up. Oh, it's right on the.
It's right on the eye. Come look at it. Look.
A pink one this time. A pink one.
See, guys? Mice tail. My go-to.
I'm just gonna retie it. Put it down.
That one was the mama fish. We caught the daddy fish already.
Bam! There it is, guys. Another one for Christine.
So,
Woo.
it's probably been, what, 10 minutes?
No, like maybe 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
That is amazing. Two big fish. All on mice tail, same setup. Congratulations.
Thank you.
For her birthday.
One for me, one for Daisy.
After the Airbnb issue we had, we're like, all right, let's just go out there for 1 hour, give it a try.
Carrie was like, let's just go.
I told her, I was
Give
like,
it an
just come on, just 1 hour, let's go. She's like, all right, let's go.
He pooped for good luck, and I always do that every time I fish.
Yep.
But he did it. I didn't have to go, so.
That is crazy.
Deuce.
Wow. Let's weigh this one too.
Okay. Official weight.
little bit smaller than the last one, but woo, 2 big ones. Damn, good job. That is tight. Oh yeah.
Did you catch my hook set though?
No, I didn't.
This is the second time you missed it, but it's okay. Thanks for helping me net these beasts.
All right, let's check out the 2 of them. Check this out, guys. Bam. That's amazing. Dang.
I need to show my dad this. I want to text it to him.
All right, they're here, so I need to get one, so I got to get into action. So we're gonna put them down, get set up again, and then we'll be back.
See you guys. All right, Carrie. You got him? Yeah. Okay.
Oh man, another big one.
What are you using?
Another mice tail. Ooh.
Look at your tip.
Yeah, here's a big one. Oh. Hey!
Let him get tired.
Oh man, this is the big one.
Watch, it's gonna be a good fight. Because my arm was getting tired.
Yeah, doesn't even want to move. My heart is pumping.
I know, mine too, mine too, mine too.
Guys, this is exciting.
I'm gonna try to net this for him, and I'm gonna try not.
Oops.
It's like every time you try to pull them closer, they start charging.
Damn, this is a big one.
My heart's pumping.
This is a huge one.
I know.
Sorry, I'm not talking much, guys.
You gotta
trying to
concentrate.
concentrate right now. Oh, man.
God. He's over there. I see him. He's jumping. He swam out all the way over there. Reel him in. It's 5:52. I got you. See him. great. Always hooks his own fish and nets it.
I even changed over a couple of the mice tails. You didn't tell me that. Oh, that looks like a damn salmon. That is.
You gotta weigh that one.
Wow. What? We got 4 pound test? Yeah. And we played that beautifully. Thank you. Yeah, really well. That's a strong fish.
Let's see how much he weighs now.
See.
My goodness.
Wow.
That was a crazy fight.
Congratulations, Lau.
I honestly think this is like 10 pounds.
I said congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
It's not 10 pounds. We're just thinking. It's pretty fat though.
I mean, just the way it was fighting.
I know.
Like, we got a
6-minute video. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Am I beating you? We gotta replay the video.
It's close to your first one.
Yeah.
Wow, 666.
Oh no. Happy Halloween.
Wow. Halloween time.
Woo. Congrats. Let's take your picture.
That was a crazy fight.
Yeah. I can't believe you net that yourself. Well, you always do. Dang. I feel like you're not in the middle. Well, he finally did it. I'm so happy. 3. That's 3 today. Lake Mary. Whoa.
Ooh, it's longer than yours though. Check them out.
This was yours?
No, that one's mine. That's
Good
insane.
job.
That was on
All on my tail.
all on the mice tail.
And
I'm throwing
normally-
jigs, but it's so windy that I can't even get
It's
it far
hard.
anyways.
Yeah. So normally I use the kokanee sauce, but since Carrie left it in the car, we went
Garlic all day.
Garlic all day. Pink mice tail, orange mice tail, like a bright yellow mice tail. Dang.
All right, guys, we're running out of time. What time is it? 6 o'clock now? 5:30?
Hold on. 6 o'clock.
It's almost that time to go, but wow, epic day. Slow start with that round.
Good karma.
Yeah, we had the Airbnb issue, but
We were patiently waiting for like
wow.
over an hour.
All right, guys, we're gonna try one more time, and then we're gonna head home, and we'll show you guys the Airbnb, and then that's gonna be it for the full day today. So we'll be back. The neighbor's on a fish. Got him! Nice! That's a big one too. Woo!
Hey, we had to get the fish. Well, thanks
That's
for
a
the.
big-
Yeah, that
that's
was
a-
a mice tail
Nice.
with garlic sauce.
With the garlic sauce. That was the secret. That's the key right there. Huh?
Man, we learned something today.
Do you guys mind being on the video?
Sure, we'll be on the video. Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. Hold that up.
Oh, sweet.
You guys got a scale? I got a scale. If you guys
We don't have one, so yeah, we can.
get the scale.
That's a beast. All right, sweet.
Dang, that's
I know, congrats.
Thank you. Thanks for the advice.
Yeah.
mice tail with garlic sauce. Got the job done.
Happy birthday.
Thanks for the scale.
Oh yeah, no problem. Thank you. All right, see you guys.
Have a good one.
All right, that's about it for us. We're gonna head home. Go back to our Airbnb because it's getting too cold out here. So we got those 3 big ones, and the neighbor caught a couple nice ones too. all on mice tails.
They got
So-
some big ones at Lake Mary.
Yep, so we're gonna see you guys when we get back to the Airbnb. We're gonna show you guys around in there, and then that's gonna be it. So see you guys there.
See ya.
Welcome to our home for a week. So let me show you guys around. This right here is our living room. The pine cones here. For those of you who don't know, we changed our name.
Yeah, we started off as pine cones
And iPhones. Because I would record everything on my iPhone and take pictures with my iPhone.
Yeah, we used to always just use iPhones, but we upgraded
upgraded.
to GoPros and Sony's. And this is the
We
bathroom.
got a bathroom there.
All right, now we're gonna head up to our sleeping quarters. We do have a balcony over here too, but it's kind of dark.
Too dark. You know, it's nice like
Yeah, it's
when
too dark.
you look at stars and stuff. But we'll probably do that later.
So this is actually a studio, but it has a loft. Now our sleeping quarters. It's kind of dark. Is there a light right there? That light.
I just looked right in there.
Doesn't have any blankets, but it has sheets. The last one we stayed at, they don't provide the blankets either.
Actually, I brought a blanket for tonight.
So this one was roughly $97 a day.
It's decent. 2 people, 2 bathrooms. It holds up to 4 people though,
Yeah.
right?
And we also got a discount because we booked for an extended time, like 7 days. So we technically got a free day.
Yeah.
All right, well,
Time to eat.
that's about it. I'm gonna cook some food and we're gonna eat, rest up, clean the fish, and then figure out what we're gonna do tomorrow. Yeah, that's about it. We'll figure it out. Maybe we'll come back today, maybe not, but
We're
we'll
gonna
see you
play a
guys.
drinking game.
Yeah, maybe. All right,
Right,
gotta
guys.
cook some food.
All right, let's go. Check it out, guys. They're big. Thank you, Lake Mary.
Thank you, Lake Mary. All right, this is our dinner, guys. We don't have any ketchup, but we got our burgers. With some Cheetos, cheddar jalapeno. We don't have any fries. We gotta go to Vaughn's tomorrow, but
It's been a long day.
long day.
We didn't. Usually we go hit up the grocery store, but we wanted to fish.
Yeah. So if you guys stuck around for this long, we appreciate you guys. Thanks for
Thank
coming.
you.
Thanks for coming along with the adventure. And make sure to subscribe, share it if you can, comment below, say whatever you want. Favorite lure? I don't know. Next time you guys are going fishing or where you guys are going fishing. This is completed for day 1, and then tomorrow's gonna be day 2. So stay tuned for that one.
All right, see you guys tomorrow.